Welcome to your Aquascape Vistaprint tutorial. Today we'll be showing you how to use and order all of your Aquascape print materials from the Aquascape portal on Vistaprint. We offer a variety of customizable products. There are spaces for your company's logo and information in order to tailor our marketing materials to your business. Vistaprint's materials are beautifully printed for a professional and clean look. Let's get started. Open your browser and type in aquascapeinc.biz.vistaprint.com. This will take you to the Aquascape homepage. On this page, you'll notice a variety of categories. The Aquascape Lifestyles Marketing Materials section is modeled after the Aquascape Lifestyles catalog and is an excellent tool for distributors, contractors, and retailers. The remainder of the categories are broken out into trade-specific materials and each offer a variety of tools. For this tutorial, we'll customize a brochure from the Contractor to Consumer Products category here. After selecting the Get Started button, you'll see the various marketing materials provided for contractors to utilize for their customers. Let's select the brochure category here. For your convenience, we offer two design styles of the brochures, postcards, and door hangers to help keep your messaging consistent. As an example, let's choose the Pond Trifold Brochure, Design 1. Clicking the Get Started button allows you to customize the brochure with your company's information. Be sure to have your logo prepared as a PNG or JPEG that's a high resolution of 200 pixels per inch or higher. This will ensure that your logo will not print fuzzy or grainy. Currently, we are viewing the outside of the brochure. To the left, you'll see a panel displaying the areas on the brochure that can be customized. You can also edit these areas directly on the brochure like this. Once your company information is filled out, add your logo. Click on the Your Logo Here areas throughout the brochure. This will bring up a menu with several different options. To start, we'll choose the Replace option here. Then select My Computer to add your logo to Vistaprint. Using the Choose Image button, select your logo and click Open. You'll notice that your logo doesn't fit properly into the provided window. To fix this, select the image again and use the Crop Rotate option on the pop-up menu. For a quick and easy solution, use the Scale to Fit tool here. This will automatically resize your image proportionately to fit the given area. If you want to resize your logo manually, unlock the crop box here and, using the brackets, resize the box to fit your logo. Choose Next to move to the inside of the brochure. Again, you'll see the panel to the left with customizable fields, and each of the brochures have customizable pricing as well. The size of the pond is also customizable in each of the pond brochures. To change the Logo Here box, select it, choose Replace, and then choose Previous Uploads. When an image is added once, Vistaprint stores it in your previous uploads file for future use. When complete, choose Next. This will allow you one last opportunity to review your brochure before printing. To check for any mistakes and errors, enlarge your view here, and if you find a mistake, close the window and choose Edit at the top. This will take you back to correct the error. When you have corrected the mistake, choose Next. Once you find your brochure to be mistake-free, check I have reviewed and approved my design and select Next. You'll be prompted to sign in or create an account to save your work for future reorders. If you have not yet created a Vistaprint account, select No, I am a new customer and fill in the fields with your appropriate information. If you already have an account, simply sign in. Select your desired quantity. Pricing is displayed here. Aquascape's Vistaprint portal automatically gives you a 10% discount, but feel free to replace it with a Vistaprint coupon. Please note that our discount and Vistaprint coupons cannot be combined. After your quantity selection, choose Next. Vistaprint offers various paper qualities. Feel free to upgrade your order or simply select Next to continue. Vistaprint also offers marketing material accessories. You can add the materials if you require them, or choose Next. Vistaprint offers a variety of additional materials from promo boxes to website design and advertising. If these materials interest you, please continue on or simply scroll down and select Go to Cart to check out. In your cart, you can preview your brochure, viewing the front here and the back here. Once you're finished viewing your brochure, choose Close and select Checkout to complete your order. You'll need to supply your name, billing address, and delivery speed. When this is complete, you'll need to provide payment, review your information, and complete your order. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video, please call 866-877-6637 or email us at emails@aquascapeinc.com.